channel. I hate long intros, so we're just going to get right into it. I didn't script any of this. I ordered some yarn from Yarnspirations and I was really excited. Wait, I have to pause. Hold on. So, this yarn here, I was so excited about this. This is one of Red Heart's Bitty Stripes. It is in the color Unicorn Mane, and I'm a little disappointed with how it looks. This is not the color I thought that I was getting, so I'm a little bummed about that. Here are some stock photos from Red Heart, just so you can see. I feel like the hue is off. It's a little bit more jewel toned instead of pastel, like I thought it would be. I still like it. It's just not what I thought. Next, I got one of the Granny Square yarns. I don't know. I'm a little intimidated by it. I know a lot of people don't like it. It's very hard to work with. And other people say that it's great. They love it. They don't like having to tie in their ends. So this just takes all of that away. My daughter picked out this color. I think it's really pretty and I really enjoy it already. Maybe I'll film trying it out. We'll see. Maybe it'll be a big struggle or it'll be fun. I also got this comfort yarn. I believe the color is Jelly Bean Print. I really like the color. I like the kind of beachy sunset sort of feel. It looks pretty good. I can't wait to use it. I don't have any particular projects in mind, but I'm excited about it. And next, I'm very excited about this one. I think this is one of the new yarns. It is Bernat's Sport Ombre Twist. This is the color Amethyst. I guess I'm just really feeling the blue and purples lately. I really, really like it. I don't have a particular project in mind just yet, but I'm very excited. And I'm really, really excited about this. This is one of Caron Cake's Colorama Halos. It is in the color Hydrangea. I'm a little bummed because this color here on the label is called After the Rain, and I did order one, but it didn't show up in my package. So I've been spending the last 5 days trying to get a hold of Yarnspirations to get that settled. I'm sure as soon as I'm able to get a hold of them, that'll be handled. But I am very excited about the hydrangea, so I can't wait to make something with it. I do have a little bit of a plan. It's kind of a loose plan, so we'll see how it goes. And this is another one of the Red Heart Comfort in the color Coastal. It's really squishy. I kind of just want to like squeeze it a bunch because it's so squishy and it's super soft. I don't have any plans with this one or the Jelly Bean Print yet, but I'm sure I'll come up with something soon. And as I've said before, I'm absolutely obsessed with the Red Heart Bitty Stripes. This is Galaxy. I tried to order this last time I ordered from Yarnspirations, but it was sold out and I'm super bummed. But that's okay. I have it now, so I don't know what I was going to make with it last time I ordered, but I guess we'll figure it out. I think I got all of the Bitty Stripes that I wanted except one, which was the Festive, because it's sold out right now. And I decided to try this Grande Granny Square. This is the color Blue Ribbon. I'm very excited. I already have a project in mind. It's all planned out. I'm very excited about it. So I will work on getting that to you guys soon. I also decided to try this quilt motif. This is the color Nostalgia. I don't know why. It just kind of gave me Nickelodeon vibes from like the mid to late 90s when I used to watch a lot of Nickelodeon. And here is another Sport Ombre Twist. This is pastel. I'm a little bummed because the photo, it looked a little bit more pastel rainbow and it's a little less pastel rainbow, but that's okay. That's okay. It might not work for the project that I had in mind, given that it's less pastel rainbow than I thought, but that's okay. You know, I'm just going to reframe and do something else. And then the Bernat Lattice. I'm so excited about this one. I don't remember the name of this. Blacklight. Sorry, I had to look at my video. I'm doing a voiceover and watching my video. But I absolutely love this one. There were a couple other ones in the Bernat Lattice that I absolutely loved, so I got two because I had to get two. I couldn't just get one. This is Neon Greens, I believe is what it's called. Yep, that's it. It is so pretty. It feels super weird. It's got almost like a lacy texture to it, so I don't know how that's going to work up for projects, but I'm excited to try it out. Also, I tried this Ogo. I know that they're not new, but they're new to me. I always thought they were kind of overhyped, but then, they were on sale and I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to try it. We'll see. I also got this one in, I think it's called Nautical Print. I don't know. I don't remember any of the names. I looked at so much yarn. I was so excited about ordering yarn. So I've got the pink and gold and then this nautical print. And I'm very excited. I think I'm going to make hats with them. I'm not totally sure. I haven't committed. Also, I got this comfort in, I don't know, I want to call it Tabby Cat. Well, the actual name is soft tan print, which is much less interesting than, you know, a diluted tabby cat color, which would be really cool because I love making cat plushies. So, oh, also I got this jumbo super saver in, I think it's sky blue. So I'm pretty excited about my yarn haul. I'm very, very happy with my yarn choices and the new yarns that I picked. I guess I'll have to give you guys an update on the After the Rain as soon as I can get a hold of Yarnspirations, hopefully soon. And that's it. That's my yarn haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like if you liked it. If you like my videos, you can subscribe and come back and watch me make stuff again later. You can hit the bell if you'd like to be notified when I upload next. And thank you again so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!